Hi, I am Sumit Kabra. I am an engineer, BExTC from KJ Somaya and also done FMB course from SP Jain. I am one of the directors of the ARA Global. In 1991, we started with Ramratna International with around 20 people and odd turnover of 20 crores. Then we diversified with the magnet wires company called Ramratna Wires. And in 1999, we started with one of the wire and cable company which we are known in the market right now is RR Kabil. In 2004, we started with infrastructure company called Ramratna Infrastructure Limited, where we have a multi-level car parking solutions. Then 2009, we diversified into copper busbar division. 2012-13, we took bold decisions to make our presence outside India, where we started our manufacturing in Bangladesh by RR Kabil Limited. And 2013-14, we diversified into consumer durable item with the company called Ramratna Electricals Limited. The latest JV we had in 2016-17 with the copper tubes, and now the group strength is of 3,500 people with a turnover of 4,000 crores. Yes, I was always keen to join the family managed business to take my family name as well as the company name to the next level. Well, I am very much lucky to get inspired from my own family members, starting from my grandfather, my parents and my uncles, and the most important, the seniors of the organization. Also, I get inspired from the growth stories of the industry. Well, we have a very much open culture and we believe in a horizontal organization structure where any employee, if having any grievances, can approach to the management or the senior HR or the directors at the group. We have a very clear demarcations of the job profiles between the family board members and the professionals, and we always design the job profile depending on the strength of the each core members. At our end, we have a freedom of speech to speak in the family board meeting because our aim is what is the best for the organization. We sometimes have a difference of opinion, but we never speak against the individual. We have been always taught, हमारे मन में मतभेद है, but मनभेद नहीं है. Well, nothing comes on a platter here. I was trained and groomed in depth at the grassroots level in the factory. Frankly, I was sent to Silvassa for 4 years for getting an in-depth knowledge of the products and our organization. And then I was promoted as a director in the organization. My message to the entrepreneurs will be, believe in yourself, be innovative, be passionate, dedication towards the goal, and whatever business you are in, be in the top 5 of your industry. Well, thanks to Vishal and the Mansaras team choosing me as a man of honor. It's a great initiative taken by them as an inspiration for a young entrepreneur.